Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing a complete guide on how to prevent group members from editing group settings on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, navigate to the group from which you want to prevent members from editing group settings. Simply tap on the group to enter its chat interface. Step 3. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those dots to access the Group Options menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Group Info. This will take you to the group's information page. Step 5. On the Group Info page, you'll find various options. Look for Group Permissions and tap on it. Step 6. Finally, you'll see the Edit Group Setting option. Simply toggle it off to prevent group members from editing group settings. And there you have it. You've successfully prevented group members from editing group settings on WhatsApp. Now, you have full control over the group's configuration. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.